Myself Biman I am a professional WordPress developer and designer. I have 4 years experience in WordPress design and development. I would like to help with your valuable project. Your project and my responsibility combine to create a good profit for your business. I am good at WordPress Widget, WordPress Plugin, speed optimization, Google Analytics theme customization, SEO, Yoast SEO WordPress, HTML, CSS, PHP error, theme installation, any WordPress plugin setup, configuration, WooCommerce customization, custom style for anything, monthly maintenance WordPress website, header, footer, change the permalink structure, speed up WordPress website, hide errors on the WP login screen, contact form creation, post query by specific category, custom widget development, custom meta box sidebar modification, custom WordPress blog development, custom style for anything, create user without dashboard access, etc. I have completed a lot of client projects on another platform. Here is the review. Thanks for watching this video.